Hi, this is Raja from BlockSurvey. In this video, I'm going to demo the end-to-end BlockSurvey application and how it will request the Google Sheets OAuth grant permissions from the users for the integration with Google Sheets and how it will be used as once if it is integrated with the application. And I will take you through the Google OAuth consent screen in the cloud, how it is requesting for the scope and what are the descriptions I'm giving over there for requesting the permission. Okay, so this content I'm going to cover in this video. So first, I'm just going to demo the BlockSurvey. The BlockSurvey is a survey platform which helps users to create a survey and share the survey among their target audience to collect their responses or a feedback or an opinion from their target audience. This is about BlockSurvey. I'm just going to show you quickly how it works. So this is the landing page. From here, once the user have signed in or signed up, so here they can see the dashboard. On click of the dashboard, they can navigate to the team which they are part of, and it will show you the list of surveys which have been created here. For the demo, I have created one survey which is like customer feedback survey, which asks for name, email, and feedback. Once the survey is created from BlockSurvey, the user can publish the survey to get the URL to share with their target audience. So here is the URL. I'm just going to open this URL here. This is the survey which I have created now. And I'm just going to answer as such. Once the response is submitted by the target audience to the user can navigate to the responses tab and can see the submitted responses over here. So here are the list of responses which comes in being listed here. So this is how the BlockSurvey helps users to collect the feedback. As such, if you see, there are other features like a share, the integration, and the responses and analytics. I've just given you a quick video about the functionality, core functionality of the BlockSurvey. This is how it helps the user, the platform is. Now, moving to the step 2. I'm going to show you the demo requesting for Google Sheet OAuth grant permission. Once if the user have created the survey, they can integrate their own Google Sheet with BlockSurvey, where BlockSurvey can send the real-time responses over to the Google Sheet, and that the user can track out of the Google Sheet. That's a one use case. And even the users can leverage the Google Sheets analytics, or they can integrate from the Google Sheet to any third-party applications from there on. So this is another use case. So here are the purpose why the users comes here to connect with Google Sheet and BlockSurvey. So I'm just going to show you, this is how the users are requested for Google Sheets OAuth grant permission. Once they selected the Google Sheet as connection, here we will be requesting for the new account or existing already linked account. I'm just going to show you for the new account. This is how it will be listed down for the selecting permission. I'm just going to choose my account here. I just click continue and it'll show you for the permissions which is requested for. Through this integration setup, we will create the new sheet on the user's Google Sheet account. Also, we will update their Google Sheet like a title and the columns, and also we will insert the new rows. So based on that, we are requesting the permissions and scope here. Once if it is granted, it will be listed down over here, and we will ask for the sheet which is created. For the demo purpose, I've created a new sheet here. I'm going to use it for this. We'll request for the users to paste the Google Sheets link here. Once if they connect this Google Sheet, the connection is successful, and they can see here new sheet would have been created in the bottom. Here's the video. So the records are inserted as the header as I connected my Google Sheet here. I just step back to once if it is connected, it's successful and shows for the users. Either they can remove the entire integration or they can turn off or turn on. And I'm just going for the second submission. Now what happens is, once if the user submits again, or any response comes to that survey, since it is integrated, what happens now is it will comes in, sits over here. So this is how the Google Sheet OAuth is used to send the data. That's all about the demo. And I'm going to show you the permission which is requested from the Google Cloud OAuth consent screen. So here is more about the consent screen. So here is the permission requested. So this is the permission which is needed for this scope, the spreadsheet scope. And I have described about the applications, what is about BlockSurvey. And I'll be pasting the demo link here once the video is uploaded to the YouTube. These are all the permissions which is being requested for this scope. Thank you so much.